In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for ClickUp free version. First, open your favorite web browser and head to the official ClickUp website. You'll know you're in the right place when you see ClickUp's branding and a clean homepage with clear calls to action. Take a quick moment to let the page load fully so all the buttons and links are visible and ready to use. On the homepage, look for the button that says Get Started or Get Started for free. It's usually prominent near the top of the page. Click that button to begin. This will take you to the sign-up flow designed specifically to help new users start with the free version quickly and smoothly. Next, you'll be prompted to select or enter your email address to sign up. Choose an email you check regularly, since this account will be linked to your workspace and important notifications. After entering your email, continue to the next screen. If the site offers additional sign-in options, simply stay focused on using your email so you keep things straightforward. From here, set up your account by following the prompts on your screen. ClickUp will guide you through a short onboarding process to personalize your experience. You may be asked for basic details like your name and to create secure login credentials. You might also see a few quick questions about how you plan to use ClickUp, such as your role or the type of work you manage. These questions help tailor your workspace, but don't worry. None of these choices lock you in. You can always adjust settings later as you get more comfortable. Keep clicking Continue or Next as you complete each screen, and don't rush. Read each prompt so your initial setup matches your needs. Once you've completed the steps, you'll land inside your new ClickUp workspace. Take a moment to look around. Explore the main dashboard, notice the sidebar where you'll navigate between areas, and familiarize yourself with the workspace name at the top. Open the default space or any starter content provided to see how tasks and views are organized. Try clicking into a sample task to understand how descriptions, due dates, and assignees appear. If you ever feel unsure, hover over icons to see tooltips, and use the on-screen cues for guidance. That's it, your free ClickUp account is ready. Explore the website at your own pace and get comfortable with the layout. The more you click around, the faster it will feel intuitive. Enjoy building your productivity with ClickUp.